Hey everyone, welcome back for another vlog. Going for a walk down from Terminal 21 down to the new shopping centre called, what is it called? S something or other, Esquire, whatever it is. Let's see how we go. Plenty of people out. It's Friday night, about 7:30. A little bit early, but let's see what we can find tonight. Plenty of tuk-tuks around. Plenty of people around. Sukhumvit Sweets, this coffee shop down here slash bar called Indulge, I think it is. It's been around here for a while. Looks alright. Never been. Let me know in the comments if you have been. If it's any good, then I'll go. Okay. Hope you're all well. Appreciate you all watching. Going past the famous Shell servo now. Always busy, this servo. Usually full of motorbikes getting fuel, but not at the moment, it's full of cars. Just outside the Jasmine City Hotel. Hopefully not getting killed crossing the road. A few people around here. Plenty of people waiting for the bus to get home, all the locals. Oh God, that food smells good. I've already eaten. I'm still bloody trying to smell food. It tastes so good. It smells so good, I mean. A little bit dark here. Hopefully the footage is okay. I'm using the Pocket 3, so hopefully it should be okay. Just heading outside the Radisson Blu now. And traffic is at a standstill yet again. Not bad. BMW, Mercedes. Very nice. Anyway, let's get back onto the footpath, shall I? Focus, Chase, focus. place is a buzzing with people at the moment. There's the Carlton Hotel. It's pretty posh. It's very posh. Hotel Bangkok Sukhumvit. Bought socks off this dude the other night. Wearing them now, they're bloody good. 6 pairs for 100 baht. Can't complain about that. Probably last about a week, but who cares? 100 baht, mate. Cheap, cheap. Alright, we're just heading up to Soi 22 off the main Sukhumvit. So we're close to M-Sphere. Forgot what it was called earlier. Had a mental blank. Too many Leos, mate. Let's see what else is here. Because I don't really know. What are in Bangkok Sukhumvit? These guys won't stop for me even though I've got a green arrow. Here I go. Bloody hell. No, I've made it. Safely across. What's over this side? Anything exciting? The Push House. Push House and Mrs. CBD. Oh my God, right next door to each other, mate. Bit of competition, never goes astray. Does it? Geez, you can bloody smell it. And there's M-Sphere, the new place. Look at that, bloody huge. And posh by the looks of it. Quick walk past and have a look. Nice lights. Right, isn't it? Oh, feel that aircon. Oh my God, that's so good. We'll walk along this here. This looks pretty cool. Sick. M-Sphere Shopping Centre. Looks very nice. Pretty busy too by the looks of it, isn't it? So it's just outside the Prom Pong BTS station. Pretty easy to get to, it's just down the Silken bit. And you're here. 10-minute walk from us off. Or Terminal 21, it's not far at all. Very nice. Alright, might leave it there guys. Hope you enjoyed the vid. Until next time, see you then.